Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to show you how to make an elastic cast on. As an example, I've done also a traditional cast on method here, and I would like to show you where's the difference. So this elastic cast on is perfect for socks, for, for sweater, trousers, as well you can use it for hats. So just look uh, how stretchy it is compared to the usual or traditional cast-on method. By the way, if you want to learn about the elastic bind-off method, you can also find this video. I will leave the link in the info box down below. Please check it if you need it. And regarding the differences, you can see elastic cast-on method has a zigzag edging compared to the usual one. So basically that's it. If you want to try it and you want to learn, let's get started. For this example, I'm using a 5 mm knitting needles and the yarn. It's a Bernard Maker Home Decor yarn. So to start, make a loop like this and pull the working yarn through this loop, and insert your needle like this. So now take the working yarn and make a loop if you would make an increase and turn, and place it on the needle. Now insert your index finger in the loop and pull tight like this and join together with the first stitch. And now make a yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop that you are still holding with your index finger. Pull the working yarn, helping yourself and holding the last stitch with the right hand. Like this, you will get um, something that is similar to knots. And repeat again. So you make a loop, then place it on the right hand needle, insert your index finger in that loop, and pull tight until you get rid of this distance. So pull tight, 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 like this. No distance between stitches here. Now make a yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop, and now pull the working yarn like this, and repeat again. Make a loop, place, and you see this distance between last stitch and the first one. So you need to get rid of this distance by pulling the yarn. So you pull both with the thumb and the index finger. And now yarn over, pull through the loop, and don't forget to hold and help yourself. Otherwise, stitch will be twisted, and at the end you will not get that row of knots. Yarn over, pull through, hold, and pull like this. You see a row of knots. And one more time. If you think it's hard, no, trust me, it's not. It could be only hard for the first time. I believe this method is a perfect solution for tight knitters. And pull. One more time. Now we cast on together at least 10 stitches, and then I will show you how to knit the first row. You see what has happened here? I didn't pull enough, so there was a distance between stitches. And let's check now. No distance, no gap. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make 3 more. And 1 more. Like this. 10 stitches. And now turn and let me show how to knit. So it's easy as in the same way. So you slip the first stitch. It's a selvage stitch. So and simply make knit 1, for example, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. It could be knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, one more time, knit 1, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch, like this. Turn, slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and the last purl. That's it. One more. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and purl. And you already clearly can see zigzag here, and it's stretchy like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope it was interesting and useful for you, and you learned something new. Please leave comments if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we will see soon. Bye!